Welcome to solverfy.
So we have f of x equal to 14 minus 2x. We're going to work on the interval 0 to 7. We want to use a Riemann sum with 5 subintervals of equal length. So if I'm thinking of my number line, here's 0 and here's 7. I need the width of each of those rectangles, so that's 7 minus 0 divided by 5, which means they're each 1.4. So that's 1.4, then 2.8, then 4.2, then 5.6, and then 7. We want to use the right endpoints. So we're using 7, 5.6, 4.2, 2.8, and 1.4. So what I need then is the heights of my rectangles. So we're going to take those points one at a time and put them into the function. If I put in 1.4, I get out 11.2. 2.8 is 8.4. 4.2 is 5.6. 5.6 is 2.8. And 7, I want 7, sorry. 7 gives me 0. So my area estimate is going to be the width, which is 1.4 times the sum of the heights. So that's going to be 1.4 times, now let's add those heights, 11.2 plus 8.4 plus 5.6 plus 2.8, that gives me 28 times 1.4 is about 39.2 square units. Now we want to repeat that part with 10 intervals. So 7 minus 0 over 10 for my width, which is going to give me 0.7. So I'm going to make another number line, 0, 0.7, 1.4, 2.1, 2.8, 3.5, 4.2, 4.9, 5.6, 6.3, and 7. Now I want to use, I'm assuming the same right estimate, so I'm going to be using those values. So let's get some points. We need f of 6.3. We need f of 4.9. We need 3.5. We need 2.1. And we need 0.7. So let's get those additional heights. 6.3 is 1.4. 4.9 is 4.2. 3.5 gives me 7. 2.1 gives me 9.8. And 0.7 gives me 12.6. So my area estimate is going to be the width times the sum. I'm going to take the ones that I just got, and then you can see I used 1.4, 2.8, 4.2, 5.6, and 7 up here. So I'm just going to pull those values down now. And that is going to give me 0.7 times 1.4 plus 4.2 plus 7 plus 9.8 plus 12.6. And that gives me 35. But remember, I had the 28 from above, so I'm going to bring them in, which is going to be 35 plus 28 is 0.7 times 63. And that's going to give me 44.1 square units.